Wait, I'll tell you. You will get to mix it.
Yay! Alright.
Oh, coffee also got a cabbage nine if I.
Just stir the mixture. Gooey goodness. Our mom is going to pour the milk, which is like it. I wanted to, but it's fine. Okay, so she is whisking it right now. So good.
So combine the flour and salt. Coffee salt. Blue, blue. Elle est fou.
Yesterday, then,
Okay, hold up.
it's the same person. So it was me again on this video.
So apparently we're supposed to make a well in the center. You know what a well is?
Oh well.
A well is this.
Oh, very interesting.
In the center.
Now I feel like I love cooking.
Mama.
So stir.
Yep. So you're supposed to stir like this. Wait, let me show you.
Okay.
Like in the center.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be stirring.
In the middle.
Oh, in the middle. In the middle. Oh yes.
In the center.
Okay, I'll pause. Perfect. She did good. Okay.
Wait, let me add some homemade vanilla extract. I'll make everything from scratch.
Wow, that's
Bless it.
Wait a minute. See, it's I think it's becoming dough a little. Ruin a direction now. Okay, it's nice. I'm almost in kindergarten. And I can start. Liquid. Then I can mix. Again?
Wait.
Then I can. What are we cooking in French? And it's crepes, okay? Crepes.
On fait des crêpes.
Can I stir?
Okay. Oh, so that
Could I stir? Nice one.
On fait des crêpes. Non, ma pas.
Oh, the crepes.
Good job. Coffee, vraiment pas. On fait des crêpes.
Because she's about to work.
Okay, friends.
I said fans. I need a spoon. A lot of people ask, what are we cooking? And it's crepes. Okay. Wow. I'm using this spoon. Easy. So then.
Now.
To get all done. She's doing like almost everything. Ooh, that's one of them. Look.
What do you see?
Mommy, one of the fans says, you're all
Y'all
are cute.
What do you say?
Thank you. Open it for me, and I'll punch it. Just stop. What are you doing? Multitasking. No. Come on. Okay, this is why Mommy's idea is way better. I think Mommy's idea is way easier, sis.
Oh, and we are.
How weird looking. Cover just want to color the whole thing. Okay, if you want to know if my sister is funny, she is very funny. I make her laugh and fart.
You made her laugh and fart.
You don't have to explain my whole life story.
Coffee, how you gonna fold it? Did you think of that?
Always think about how you're gonna fold it. You never know how it's gonna end up.
Yeah, I'm good for now.
Cool.
This will go right here. This, two.
Just two?
I want the right.
Oh, I like little Nutella. This is what I mean, guys.
And two. Thank you, thank you.
Still gonna have the white.